Is traditional financial education failing us? The lessons from Robert Kiyosaki's book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, seem to think so. Delving into the wisdom imparted by Kiyosaki's two dads, the book presents a fresh perspective on financial education, challenging the norms and transforming the way we view money. The first lesson Kiyosaki teaches is that the rich do not work for money. Instead, they make their money work for them. This is a stark contrast to the traditional mindset where fear of not having money leads many to settle for less than their worth, working relentlessly in a cycle commonly referred to as the rat race. The rat race is not driven by ambition or the pursuit of wealth, but by fear and greed. The fear of not having enough money to pay the bills and the desire to buy more and more with each paycheck. However, the harsh reality is that money seldom solves the fear it is meant to alleviate. Surprisingly, it is often those with a substantial amount of money who are most driven by fear. The fear of losing their hard-earned wealth and the social implications of such a loss. This fear keeps them stuck in the rat race, long after they have accumulated enough wealth to step out of it. To escape these traps, one must first recognize fear and desire as the powerful forces driving human behavior. While these emotions cannot be eliminated, becoming less reactive to them can prevent them from having an outsized influence on decision-making. Creating wealth doesn't necessarily require financial genius. It requires breaking free from the desire for a paycheck and the short-term security it provides. Once you manage to do that, a world of opportunities opens up, providing avenues to create far more wealth than what a traditional job can offer. In conclusion, Rich Dad, Poor Dad teaches us to challenge traditional financial education, to make our money work for us, and to recognize and control the emotional forces that drive our financial decisions. Apply these lessons in your life and you might just find yourself on the path to financial freedom.